everybody, this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I'm going to show you this Jolly Santa Claus CottageCutz die that I put together. I'm going to start by showing you the tag that I made with it. And then if you continue to watch, you will see a tutorial on how I use my pan pastels and everything on it. So here's the tag that I made. And I absolutely love how it turned out. This is actually a CottageCutz scallop rectangle die. And this I got off online. And then here is the little Santa. I used some glitter paper for the fur on his jacket, some gold metallic paper for his belt buckle, and then on the back it says to and from, which is from the MFT set that I have, but like I said, they don't sell that anymore, so any to and from that you have will work. And I did double the tag, so this is the front piece, and then I put another one on the back because I like anything I make to be sturdy, beefy. And so this was the best way I could think to do it and get it nice and thick. And I mean, I could have, it's still 110 pound cardstock, so I could have done it with just one piece of paper, but I went ahead and did two. And he's just super fun, super easy to put together. I used my black glaze pen for his eyes. I chalked his little cheeks with some Stampin' Up! Chalk. And then I went around the edges with my pan pastels. So if you continue to watch this video, you will see how he went together. Alright guys, I'll be back real soon with some more tag videos. I've kind of been on a Christmas tag video Christmas tag making kick. And so I'll be back soon with some more of those. Thanks for visiting me today, guys, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.